In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from your Yahoo account. We'll start at the very beginning so nothing is missed. Open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. If you're already seeing an account listed, click that existing account to begin. If you don't see it, simply type in your email address and continue. On the next screen, enter your password to sign in. You might be asked for a quick verification depending on your security settings. Just follow the on-screen prompts and continue until you land on Yahoo's homepage. Once you're signed in, click Mail at the top to open Yahoo Mail. This takes you to your inbox, where we can access your address book. Inside Yahoo Mail, look for Contacts. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a Contacts label, a small address book icon, or a people icon in the sidebar. Click it to open your contact list. With your contacts visible, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More Options. It's usually near the top of the contacts panel or toolbar. Click the three dots to reveal additional actions. From that menu, choose Export to CSV file. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a universal format that works with many apps, including spreadsheet tools and other email services. As soon as you choose Export, your browser will either download the file automatically or ask where to save it. If you get a prompt, select a familiar folder. Your desktop or downloads is a good choice, so it's easy to find later. If it downloads automatically, check your downloads folder. A few tips as you finish up. If you have multiple contact lists, Yahoo typically exports what you're viewing. Make sure you're on the list you want before exporting. If you don't see the three-dot menu, try widening your browser window or scrolling to the top of the contacts area, since the toolbar can shift based on screen size. Treat the CSV file like sensitive information because it can include names, phone numbers, and email addresses. If you're using a shared computer, move the file to a secure location or delete it when you're done. That's it. Your Yahoo contacts are now exported to a CSV file and ready for backup, migration, or importing into another service. If you plan to use the file in another app, remember where you saved it so you can upload it easily. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your contacts safely exported.